Well, hello everyone. I wish I was at the beach, but it's just sound effects. Just sound effects. Today I'm rooting Tink. This is Tink. What? No. No. What did she want to know? She wanted to know if she's going to stay like this. I told her no, this is like an old man. I'm using blonde, darker blonde, medium blonde mohair. I'm using a forked needle, 42 gauge. This is my little tool that helps me root. I'm using a baby pillow so I don't get hair all over me. A blanket to try to keep the hair on this blanket, not on me. So this is me rooting Tink. Tink is a new sculpt by Bonnie Brown. She will be available. She will be available if you want her. Can you see her? She looks like a real baby. Her nose is shaded. I use Genesis Heat Set paints, glass eyes. If you have any questions, let me know. Her eyes are not set yet. I just have them in. I'm going to move them around and then I will glue them. I'm going to continue rooting her hair where she needs hair. And I'm going to do a light rooting. A light rooting. She is a sculpt of a real baby. Look her up. And look up TINK Reborn. And hopefully you'll see the real baby's picture. And yes, she is available. I'm rooting her hair. This needle grabs one hair at a time. Can you see that? One little hair at a time. What else? What else? What's going on out there in your world? I have 261 subscribers as I make this video. Tell your friends. Ask me questions. I'm on Facebook, Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery. I have my main nursery, and then I have my Rosanna's Fairy Tale Reborn Nursery 2, my second nursery page, just in case something happens, because you know Facebook. If you post too much, they ban you, they block you, or whatever. They put you in Facebook jail. I'm done with that, so I'm trying not to use my nursery page all over the place with posts, because then like, oh, you posted too much, you didn't follow the rules, so it's crazy. Look at his hair. Maybe I'll go blonde. So what's going on in my world? I have a lot of kits here if you're interested. I offer custom work. Yep, I do. I offer payment plans, but from now on, my payment plans are 90 days. I need to be paid each month, and on the final payment, on the 90th day, paid in full, then you get your doll. If you want to order a special kit, I have Baldy Bean babies that start at $2.95, closed eyes on select kits. Ask me about them. If you see a kit you like, I will give you a price on how much that will cost. Adding hair to a Baldy Bean baby is about $150 and up. I lightly root, like I said. What? No, you're not going to have long hair like this. What? You'll have it cut. Yes, I'm going to cut your hair. I cut the baby's hair with a razor comb. And I use, here, this is a little brush. See this little brush here? This is a facial brush. But I use it to brush the baby's hair. You see this? This is water and coconut oil to keep the hair from getting matted. Anyway, it's snowing here again. Yesterday I went out with one of my babies. I changed the name to Kathleen or Kathlina. And that is the Tamino sculpt, which is the twin to Paulino. I'll be posting photos soon. I have photos of her on my nursery page and on my regular profile page, which is my name, Rosanna Eso. If you want to be my friend, just send me a request and I'll be glad to be a friend of yours. If you want a baby, if you want a custom baby, if you want one of my babies, just let me know. So this baby, like I said, she'll have her hair cut and she will be available. What? Yes, you have a body. You're not put together yet.
Oh,
What?
I'm hungry.
You're hungry? All right. Well, guys, we're going to go. Gals, people, leave a comment below. Share this and let the channel grow. Yes, I have a little head on my shoulders. Oh, where am I looking? I don't know. All right, goodbye.